We will talk about how can you disable new follower on your Duolingo app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, so when you just click on this sign here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click on notifications here. Then you click here on friends. So then here you will find new follower. Can you disable it here for phone and here for your SMS? Down here, like you see, new follower notifications disabled with us now. That's all. So then you click on this sign. You click on this sign icon here. Click on done. Then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.